In this video, I want to show you a really cool workflow that we uncovered recently using a Figma MCP server. So we all use Figma for a bunch of different tasks like mocking out our product, coming up with prototypes, so on and so forth. And now with the Figma MCP server, you can actually give Cascade context of your Figma designs so that it can help you bring them to life. I've already gone ahead and installed the Figma MCP server. The one we're using is provided by the community. I'll add a link to it below. So I've got that already up and running. It's super easy to install. I've also got a Figma file with a bunch of different ideas and assets that are kind of interesting. And then finally, I've got my personal website, which is what I want to modify. So specifically what I want to do is, I really like how these social icons look. And I'd like to change my boring icons here to look more like the ones from Figma. So what the Figma MCP server allows me to do is I can just come in here and I can just copy a link to this asset right here. And then I'm going to come over into Cascade and I'm just going to ask Cascade, modify the social links on my website to look like the ones in this Figma design. And I'm going to paste in that link from earlier. Now let's see what it does. So the first thing that it does is it actually uses the MCP tool to go look at the file that I linked it to. And not only is it looking at the file, you can see that the second call is looking at the specific element that I passed in. So now that it knows what it's trying to build, it's going to actually go out and understand my code base, understand where I've written the code for my social links, and now it's going to actually edit that code to make those links look more like the Figma design. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now let's go ahead and run the development server to see what it looks like. And I think we should be good to go. Let's see what this looks like. And boom, you can see that it has implemented a whole new set of social icons. And they look a lot closer to the ones in the Figma mock. Now, it's not perfect, but it's done a pretty darn good job. And I expect this to get a lot better in the near future. Hope you build something cool with this.